Southern Maidenhair Fern has a botanical name, A. capellus veneris. This plant requires a small pot but dislikes repotting. A moisture but well-draining soil is what this plant prefers. Water this plant once or every other day to ensure that the soil is not dry, as it dislikes being in a dry side. Maidenhair is also intolerant of low humidity or dry air from heating or cooling vents. Did you know that this diva plant is the source of an aromatic, volatile oil commonly used as a shampoo, which is where its common name of maidenhair comes from? Good luck and enjoy your day, plant lovers. God loves you and so do I. Be safe out there, everyone, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now!